The Reserve Bank of India. Now, there's more coming up on Wednesday, where the Reserve Bank of India's monetary policy statement will be released on Wednesday. Priyanshi takes us through what's expected and the focus areas.
Sonia, RBI's monetary policy statement that will come out tomorrow comes at a critical time when we're facing an 8-year high inflation. Now, the focus is on rate hikes, inflation and growth forecast. Let's take you through these key points. The Reserve Bank in May hiked its interest rate by 40 basis points, and the RBI governor has indicated that further hikes are likely as the RBI prioritizes targeting inflation. So another hike seems certain. The only question is by how much? A hike of 25 to 50 basis points is expected by analysts. Now, how does this impact you? RBI's repo rate is the interest rate commercial banks have to pay whenever they borrow money from the Reserve Bank. So banks further passed RBI's rate hike to consumers, the latest being HDFC that hiked its rates by 35 basis points. With a further hike from the RBI, the EMIs we have to pay could go further up. Home loans will get more expensive. The next important point is the inflation projection. RBI raised inflation projection in April from 4.5% to 5.7%. We know that fuel prices drive the price rise, and Brent crude prices have gone up by 9% since RBI's last announcement. So the Reserve Bank might take up its inflation forecast, meaning even further price rise expected to pinch us. Now, last but not the least, the growth forecast. Rate hikes hurt economic growth as they reduce the demand in the economy. In April, RBI cut its GDP forecast to 7.2% from 7.8% for the current year. So another big question is whether the economy's growth projections could be lowered even further. Now, amid all of these questions and concerns, markets lost almost 1% today. Sensex lost 567 points to end at 55,107, while Nifty went down by 153 points to settle at 16,416. The rupee also weakened to 77.71 per dollar, which is very close to its record low of 77.73 per dollar. Now, what are the reasons? Fears of further inflation, rate hikes and recession. All eyes are currently on RBI's announcements tomorrow. Back to you.